don't waste my time. Everything's gonna be alright. So I'm on for it, I'm on for it, I'm on for it. I keep running from lies, so don't waste my time. Everything's gonna be alright. So I'm on for it, I'm on for it, I'm on for it. Yeah. I wanna light one up and take your hand. I wanna have some fun and break some plans. I wanna feel alive tonight, enjoy the view. It's all the highs and lows. I don't know where I should go. Running from lies, so don't waste my time. Everything's gonna be alright. So I'm on for it, I'm on for it, I'm on for it. I keep running from lies, so don't waste my time. Everything's gonna be alright. So I'm on for it, I'm on for it, I'm on for it. Yeah. Don't count me out, cause I'm over the doubt. I wanna go now, make it somewhere I can be loud and scream out everything means nothing anymore. And I think that I'm in love with doing what I want. I've got nothing to prove. Keep running from lies, so don't waste my time. Everything's gonna be alright. So I'm on for it, I'm on for it, I'm on for it. I keep running from lies, so don't waste my time. Everything's gonna be alright. So I'm on for it, I'm on for it, I'm on for it. Yeah. And I feel the pain. Broken hearts, they all feel the same. And I don't wanna be all alone. Just pull me apart, take me away. Tell me it's all gonna be okay. I wanna feel like I'm still alive, but I'm dead inside. Running and my heart beats racing. I'm not the same since your heart gave out on me, on me. Wish you would stay, but I know you gotta go. I hate change and I hate being alone. Never the same, the beginning always loved it more. Yeah, just pull me apart, take me away. Tell me it's all gonna be okay. I wanna feel like I'm still alive, but I'm dead inside. It's time to be the GOAT. It's time to enter God mode, man, let's get it going. I wanna be the greatest, energy is overflowing. I know I'm stoking the fire, my desire's taking over, not tired, I'm inspired, rewired. I know just what is required, my brain knows how to decipher. The message is looking brighter, already paid up the piper. My game is getting much tighter, I feel my body on fire, Now it's game time, all the practice to prepare for this main time. I could do anything, that's my baseline. Go ahead and do you, I'ma make mine. You gon' read me in the headlines. Always go up, I don't know a decline. On the glow up, getting better with time. Yeah, I'm about to hit my prime. The air is filled up with suspense. We've got our dreams we must defend, and we know what we represent. So we'll keep fighting till the end, and we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end, and we'll keep fighting till we win. This is our calling, this is our calling. Yeah, we'll keep fighting till the end. I hope you're ready for battle, you better get on the saddle. We got some demons to tackle, yeah. We bout to put on a show, these haters don't even know. They're in too deep like a hole, and they about to find